Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. Today it's cold outside. We're down here piddling in the shop. For you guys that use a smoker every day, you know how much of a pain in the butt it is to dump out, try to sort out what's good and what's bad. So today we're going to make a sieve, and you can just kind of see the outline. We're going to cut it out. I just drew this up. You may come up with your own design. I didn't even use a ruler to lay this out. It's approximately 8 inches across the back, 5 inches across the front, and then I got a handle and what we're going to cut out in it, and then we're going to put wire on it. I'll get it set up where we can kind of buzz this out on the saw real quick and see how this turns out. You know, if you guys are not used to using power equipment, I wouldn't suggest to even try this. You know, got to be careful what you got. We're going to cut it out on a bandsaw and use all the safety protection you need. We're going to buzz this out real quick. We'll shut the camera off for a little bit. I gotta move it so I can finish sawing this out. The camera's right in the road. Okay, we got this cut out. I would suggest you make this out of plywood so you don't, the corners will be strong. What we're doing, as you can see, we didn't take no time cutting that out. It's a tool. We don't care what it looks like. I've got it set up over here in the scroll saw and cut the handle opening out. I haven't used a scroll saw in 20 years. We'll see how this goes. We'll probably break the blade right off the bat. We'll see what happens. Okay, we've got this thing all cut out. This is a handle. We'll put this board on the back here, like so. We're going to go up to the house and put it together, and then we're going to put wire, 1/8" hardware cloth in there. And what you'll do, you'll dump your smoker out in there before, you burn it one day and you dump your smoker out in there. You just give this a shake like that, all the ashes and the dead stuff falls out, and you turn around, it comes to a point, dump it back in your smoker, you're ready to go. So we'll get up to the house, get this thing put together, and see how it works. Okay, we're back up at the house. We're just going to glue and staple this onto this. Like I say, there's nothing precise about this. We'll make it for a right-handed person though. Okay, this is what we end up with. You know, just we'll get the wire on it. I'm going to try to figure out the cutting the wire, and then I'll show you how we do that. Then I'll show you how it works when we're done with it. I fastened the wire to one side here, got it notched out so it comes back, Now we're going to try to figure out, is this side tapered? I want it to come up. I'm trying to figure out how we want that. Probably something like that. We're just going to take it, mark it along this back. Something like that. See what we come up with. I got in my mind what I want it to look like. I don't know what it'll look like it when I'm done or not. Now then, wrap that around like so. Get it bent down here in the corner. Cut this so it'll fit down on the inside. Well, looks like we come pretty close. You can see what it looks like. It's funnel. I'm going to finish getting this stapled up here and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, we got this thing all done. We're going to see how it works out. This, like I say, this is just something I come up with. Dump all your contents to your smoker out, shake it a little bit. It gets all the ashes out of it. All you got left is your good fuel. Dump it back in, you're ready to go. Simple thing. This is 1/8 inch hardware cloth here. And just something that, if you guys ever notice, when you dump this out, it makes a mess wherever you're dumping that on. You're trying to keep the good and that. And you take this out in the yard, just shake it, it all goes in the yard, and you don't have any problem with it. If you enjoy the videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it, so you get notified. And thanks for watching.